Yeah, you can't bury alive anything that was ready to die. You can't clip wings made of fire. That's God's work. The Phoenix Saga continues.
நீயே ஒளி நீதான் வழி ஓயா திமி உடம்பே நீயே தடை நீயே விடை சூடாக்கிடு நரம்பு
6 feet deep where they left us for dead and I dug myself out the mud with my knuckles learn to float like a butterfly, sting like a killer bee. Killer bee fuel for them fools. Is you kidding? Shit, I'd rather be in hell for being reckless with my special. Bet you before I see the pearly gates. I be shining with my pearly whites and smiling in their face. Spit the blood up out my mouth to move the mountains out the way.
சத்தம்